Hi everyone and welcome back to Sip Your Tea with Miss V. I'm Missy V and today I decided to show my apartment. My last video I posted last week was about 5 things to do before moving to Los Angeles, or 5 things to do before even moving across the country. And so within that video I talked about if anyone wanted to see my apartment, I was gonna post it. So definitely by a lot of comments and people telling me they wanted to see it, I said why not. Okay, so keep in mind, things to keep in mind before you start judging me. So definitely everything you'll see in my apartment is on a budget. Got most of my stuff from IKEA and Target. So that's that, or TJ Maxx and stuff like that. But for right now, I don't have a full bed. I have an air mattress because I literally just moved to Los Angeles literally 2 weeks ago. It would be 2 weeks tomorrow, actually. I am gonna get a bed soon, thinking probably like Labor Day weekend, just trying to stack up before I get one. But my bed is still very neat and very clean, just keep in mind, but I will eventually get a bed. So don't worry about that. And then everything else is like, things will start coming along as I, live here. I have a 1-year lease and it is a studio apartment also. But I do really like my apartment. It's super nice, really quiet. Like I never really hear my neighbors unless their dog is barking. But other than that, it's super chill. I really like it a lot. So stay tuned and I'll give you guys a tour of my apartment. Okay everyone, so this is what you see when you first initially walk into my apartment. You can see my TV, which is on the right, with my couch. And then on the left, you can see my cubby and then the end of my bed and then the patio. The patio is super cute. So to the left, we have my bathroom. Really nice. We got the color coordinated going on. I had the shower curtain since college, so we kept that. And then this is the sink, and then we do have a medicine cabinet over here. So that's the bathroom. Then this way we just have some like wall hooks with then my shoes down here. So over here we have the kitchen. It's a full kitchen with a dishwasher and double sinks. So I use one side for my dishes and then one side just obviously washing hands. I have a cute little lamp up here. Trash, gas stove, gas oven, and then my microwave, which the stainless steel refrigerator. So then my closet are these 2 big mirrors. They have plenty of storage in here. Don't judge things in here, but plenty of storage, have a lot of space in here. Definitely up top, it's like a lot. And then on the other side is like the same stuff. So over here is my kitchen table with my bar cart. Love my bar cart. Also notice I got my kitchen the whole setup, which is the bistro table from Target, and the chairs were a 2-pack. So it all came together. By the way, the table can fit 4 people. So that's really good. Right here I have a bar. Don't mind my water, I was a little parched, but I'm still deciding if I want to put bar stools here. I'm kind of thinking no, just because I have so much other additional seating, but maybe later on I'll put some bar stools here. So over here I have my bar cart. It's rose gold, so my color theme is like the rose gold neutrals and either like a pop of color like the pinks or just like maybe a blue or something. Like that's my color scheme. But anyway, so I got all my glasses here. Champagne flutes. Someone gave me this Amsterdam bottle, which is not my favorite, and definitely wine glasses because I'm a lover of wine. And then just like wine opener and cool little like tequila salt shooter. So that's my bar cart so far. Over here, I try to hide my router and all my internet stuff, but here is just a table I got from TJ Maxx. What's super cool about this table is it has like, if I can pull it out, it has like these charging ports for iPhones back here. So like I thought that was super cool. And then again, I got the lamps, this lamp and my other lamp on the counter from Target. So actually the lamp stand of this one was on sale. Okay, so we're over here with my couch. This couch I got from Wayfair. And then the pillow, the pink one, I got from Target as well. The rug, Target also. I love this rug. It's super nice. Super cute. So the lamp behind the butterfly chair is from IKEA. Got it like a while ago. Pretty sure they might still have it. Then here's my TV with the TV stand. Still trying to figure out how to hide all these cords, but it will come along. And then just my Apple TV and everything else. The TV stand I got from Target, and then the TV I believe I got from Walmart. So then outside over here is my little patio. Let's see if I can open the door. It's super cute. I got the patio set from Rite Aid. And this is my lovely view. It's of Hollywood. You can see Capitol Records across. And then if I step out of here, you can also see a little bit of the CNN building with this trees kind of blocking it. But yep, this is my view. Now here's my bed. You can tell it's an air mattress, but it's super nice. I'm still like trying to figure out what kind of comforter I want, but I got the air mattress from Target. Okay, so the biggest project that we did was this IKEA shelving. My parents helped me a lot with it. It's super cute. Got the drawers, like these canvas drawers, both from IKEA, and then the actual drawers, like right here, we got from IKEA as well. You can just like drill them in like on the side of the cabinet just for additional space. So right now I'm still trying to figure out how I want to like, you know, add stuff to it, but it's really good just for like a fake wall, because in studios we really don't have the privacy, but it's really nice because when people walk in you don't directly see like me like in bed, you know what I'm saying? So now this is the fun part. This is my vanity. Okay, so we got the stool and the desk from Target, and then we got the mirror from Target as well. My ring light, I got that off Amazon. I got the stand included because I do have several other tripods, but I wanted the full set. And then this small little vanity mirror I got from TJ Maxx. And then, you know, like the cute little, like my makeup organizer is from Bed Bath, I believe. And then like small little knickknacks like this I got from Salvation Army, believe it or not. And then my jewelry box, I'm not sure, it was like gifts, so I really don't know where that's from. And then, of course, I brought my vision board. That's always keeps me on point. And then my cute little initial. So that's basically, you have it over here. I just have, if it's too dark, I have my diploma, so definitely have to keep me grounded. But this is basically my apartment. I love it. So cute. It's really good for entertaining. I think my favorite space is my vanity because I just love this setup. It's so cute. Hey guys, so I hope you guys liked my apartment video of me giving a tour of everything that I bought and everything that I brought from Detroit to LA with me. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave your thoughts and feedback below. I will definitely give a 6-month update of all the stuff that I've been buying for my apartment, and obviously when I buy my bed and my comforter, that will be in the 6-month video as well. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and like I said, if you have any more ideas for me to do vlogs about, let me know. I super appreciate it, and I will see everyone soon. Have a great Tuesday and see you guys later. Oh wait, also make sure to subscribe. Bye everyone.